Is your T-Mobile hotspot refusing to power on or charge? Let's troubleshoot. The most common culprits are power, battery, or software glitches. First, check the basics. Is the device fully discharged? Is the charging cable properly connected and undamaged? Is the adapter functioning? Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, typically losing 20 to 30% capacity after 2 to 3 years or 500 to 1,000 charge cycles. Deep discharge, port corrosion, faulty cables, or incompatible adapters can also prevent charging. Environmental factors, like extreme temperatures, can exacerbate battery issues. Before assuming hardware failure, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to drain residual power and reboot. If that fails, move on to hardware checks. If your T-Mobile hotspot still won't turn on or charge, start by inspecting the battery if it's user replaceable. Check for swelling or damage, and replace with T-Mobile approved parts if needed. Next, ensure you're using the original adapter or one recommended by T-Mobile, rated at 9 volts 2 coamps for faster charging. Test its voltage output with a multimeter to confirm it works properly. Clean the charging port with compressed air to remove any debris or corrosion that might be preventing proper connection. Perform a hard reset by using a paperclip to press the reset pinhole for 5 to 10 seconds. This restores factory settings, but erases custom configurations. Connect to the T-Mobile app or web portal to check for firmware updates, which often fix power glitches. The self-diagnostic app launched in August 2025 can also help troubleshoot remotely. Finally, avoid overcharging by capping at 80% for battery longevity and store devices in cool, dry places to prevent battery degradation.